show you websites to go on. Calm down.
Okay, guys, part 2. We're at... Manny, how many coins are we at?
A lot of coins. Paris, keep going. Pay reels.
So, anyways, as I was saying about Abraham Lincoln, I just feel like we have a strange connection. Like, we love each other, but it's just complicated because, you know, he's just
Mom?
like,
I can't go on my Chromebook.
he's just like,
Why?
Because
he's
I don't
just
have
like-
a little thing.
you know what I'm saying, Manny?
Mom,
Manny, you know what I'm
Manny's
saying?
Chromebook is not same
Manny.
as mine.
Manny.
What do you mean? What's wrong with yours?
Manny.
I have to have that little login card
Manny.
to scan it to get my Chromebook.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Why?
I wasn't listening.
Why didn't you bring it?
Wow, okay.
No, somebody found it.
But we are
and
gonna
they,
go
folded
to couples counseling
Huh?
to help.
Somebody found it. Zion.
So,
What?
Somebody found it and they covered it up.
Is the heat on? Couple two. Yeah.
No, there's 4 bodies in the small ass room. That's what it is. Turn the fan on.
The fan is on. I feel like I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
So me and Manny are almost at 10,000 coins. So like this video, comment. What should they comment?
Like and subscribe and say Gangster Man and Gangster Paris.
Oh yeah, we didn't introduce ourselves. Hey guys, my name's Paris, and I'm here with.
Manny.
Say your actual.
Oh, Gangster Manny.
I'm here with a special guest. Say it again.
Gangster Manny.
And we're here. We're gonna be playing Subway Surfers and getting to 10,000 coins. Right now we're almost at 3,000, so we'll need. How much will we need?
4,000 more.
Right? Wait. I don't know. Guys, math isn't our go-to subject. We're more like material girls. You know what I'm saying, Manny?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, Manny, have you heard that thing where it's like bing bong?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Never mind. Manny ate like 7 honey buns today.
3 honey buns.
The whole box is gone. The literal whole box is gone.
Why'd you didn't get that thing?
Oh, I didn't see it. You gotta watch out for me. You're not telling me. Manny, narrate.
Okay, go forward.
No, you gotta say what I'm doing.
Okay, guys, so she's going left and she's about to get the coins. She got the coins again. Now she got the magnet. Now she got the coins. Now she got the coins. Now she got the coins.
And
And then now we're almost at 10,000. So keep subscribing.
Yeah, keep subscribing. Our dog just died of hypothermia and nipple cancer. So we need Manny, this isn't a laughing matter. This isn't a laughing matter. And he's on the floor right now, like spread out. So we need 10,000.
Nipple cancer.
we need $6,000 to revive him. So please donate so we could revive our dog. What was his name, Manny? No, I have a key.
Max.
His name was Max, and he's on the floor right now, rotting. I'm sorry, guys. My brother laughs when he's sad. He has a thing. He has a. He's been laughing ever since he was born instead of crying. He's very sad right now. It's okay, you don't have to cry. They're gonna donate so we could revive Max and take away his nipple cancer. Oh. Yeah, he's crying really bad right now. Oh, I got it.
Nipple cancer. Nipple cancer.
Alright.
My nipple cancer.
Stop it! Weirdo.
So please donate. Max is currently spread out on the floor and he's gulping for air.
Who was that? Who the is that?
Our dog that's dying that we need $6,000 for to save.
I can't get on nothing because I need to walk it.
Okay guys, we're at
Get that
3,000.
Manny's and Manny will let you. Come on. Give me that. It's on the.
We are almost at our goal. So please keep donating, keep subscribing, keep
No, right
commenting.
there. Look.
What should they comment, Manny?
Right here? Gangster Desi.
Gangster Desi.
I mean, Gangster Me and Gangster Paris.
Yeah, guys, comment that.
Paris.
Wait, I can watch this
Manny,
ad.
what's your
So guys,
password?
we just hit our head and died. Ow. But we are still. We're gonna shake it off like real G's and keep it pushing. Manny, what are you doing?
Oh, Mom!
Could you get in?
I gotta watch this ad.
Okay. What kind of website you want to go on, huh? What kind of website? Wait.
Okay. Okay, Manny, you gotta narrate. Man, you gotta narrate.
Oh, okay. She got the thing.
Your breath. Ooh. Here you go. Go.
She got the 40 thing. And we're about to get to 10,000, y'all.
Manny, tell us a little bit about your life story.
Okay, my life is so good right now. Cause I'm with my mom for 10 days. I'm with my cute little parents right here. And yeah.
So Manny's enjoying his life right now. Even though Max is dying of nipple cancer.
Nipple cancer.
Even though our dog is dying and we need 6,500.
Stop.
No, you said
and
$6,000.
99
Not no.
cents.
Gangster.
And 59.
No,
You know how to spell that?
I tried not to tell the full price because it's too much and I don't want to seem greedy. But Max is on the floor and he's limping and he's gulping.
For money.
Oh no.
Do that again. Do that.
Wait, can we pause it for a minute? Did it stop? Is it still recording?
Choking, I gave her the
My beautiful voice.
No, it's TikTok song.
Oh, I got the. Oh wait. I don't know. Like I got the. Yes, we're reviving.
Go to the thing, talk to the thing, say, games for little kids on a laptop.
Okay, guys, we're almost at 4,000, and we'll only need 6,000. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we'll only need 6,000.
Now what, Mom? Yes, Bruce, we're winning.
I'm gonna go down and talk to your father.